What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another pickup that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Now, this originally was supposed to be an unboxing video. I've had these shoes for about like a week and a half. So what had happened was I didn't really have time to record, and I kind of got impatient and I just unboxed the shoes. And yeah, so since I've already seen the shoes, I kind of didn't really have the urge to, upload the video right away. But I still wanted to show you guys the shoes, so here we are. So let's get right into the shoes. I'm about to drop the box. But on the top of the lid, we have Nike swoosh. On the side of the box, it says Off-White CO Nike Shoebox, Beaverton, Oregon, C 2017. Then let's move on to the shoe tag. It says the 10, I'm forgetting what it says, Nike Blazer Mid, size 9.5. And the colorway is black, white, cone, and black. Let's go ahead and open the box up. So for some of you that don't really know about Off-White, all their shoes come in a box that's reversed. So it's inside out. Here goes the Off-White paper, and let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. Here we go, the Off-White Blazers. Now, we have seen maybe, I think this is the 4th colorway. So before that, we had the original colorway, which was the white cone and black. So the whole shoe, pretty much the whole upper was white with the black swoosh. I'll have the picture up on the screen somewhere. And then the next colorway to release was the Serena Queen Blazers. Those to me were kind of more so of a women's shoe, kind of had like a rainbow theme to it. And then these dropped, and along with these there was another colorway. Those were like a vanilla and orange colorway. So out of the two, I was able to get these. I was just happy in general because like I've been on a dry spell for maybe a year. Like I haven't hit any Off-Whites in, was it August or September? It had made a year that I had no Off-Whites in my possession. I did have an opportunity to get the Off-White Converse that just dropped recently, but I didn't really want those, so I passed on them. Oh, so there was another raffle that I actually did win for the Off-Whites, and I didn't find out that I won until like a day later, after the pickup window. It was my fault. So I had logged into my email on my computer, and I saw the email saying that I had won. So I don't know why it didn't show up on my phone, but it showed up on the computer. But anyways, it was the white Vapor Max. Yeah, so I was very excited to get these, and I'm not completely hype beasting. Like I do have Blazers in my collection, so it's not like this is my first Blazer ever. But anyways, like getting into the shoe, as you can see on the side, we have the white Nike swoosh, and it kind of goes down onto the midsole. Behind the swoosh, we have, I think this is kind of like a mesh material, all on the side panel, and then also it goes to the toe box as well. Moving on to the back of the shoe, or let's go to the side. So onto the side of the shoe, this comes on every Off-White shoe as well. We have Off-White for Nike Blazer Mid, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. We have the Made in China tag that comes on both shoes as well. Moving on to the back of the shoe, we have Nike on the heel. And as you can see, it has the edges kind of exposed where you can see like the inside of the foam. So for those of you that don't really know, Off-White, pretty much they just like deconstruct shoes, and you're able to see the shoe more broken down. On the back of the heel, at the bottom of the heel, it shows some numbers. So when I first saw this shoe, when I first unboxed it, I'm gonna be honest, like I didn't really know what that meant, but I looked it up, and from what I read, this has something to do with like the production numbers, or something to do with production. That's all I know. But usually we wouldn't see this right here, and yeah, so that's the whole point of Off-White. Like we see stuff that usually you wouldn't see on a regular shoe. It's there, but it's not supposed to be shown. But that's what makes Off-White Off-White. On the tongue, the tag has been moved to the side, which comes on all of the off-whites. And then on the top of the tongue, as you can see again, it's exposing the foam. On the inside of the shoe, it shows the off-white logo and it says the 10. And that's about it. It's nothing really much to the insole. And then also, something that they did change was the zip tie. It's the same zip tie, but they changed the color of them. So on the original pairs that dropped last year, those featured a red zip tie, and the ones that dropped this year all included a blue zip tie. I know on the Air Max 97s, on the other pair of Blazers, the vanilla ones, those all have big blue zip ties. Also the off-white Air Max 90s and the Air Force Ones that are dropping in a couple of months, those are all should be coming with a baby blue zip tie. The only other off-white that has a different zip tie is the Serena Queens. I think those have the yellow zip tie on it, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's one of the differences that that is between the original collection and this collection. Same thing, it has pretty much the same thing on the zip tie. Off-white CO Nike C 2018, and it has zip tie in quotation marks. And then also on the laces, usually on the laces you would see where it shows like shoelaces in quotation marks, and it's on here but it's all blacked out, so you can't really see it. I'll try to get a shot of that, but you can't really see it because it's blacked out. But it does come with the extra pair of laces, which includes shoelaces and orange, so you can see those a little bit more better. I'll probably just leave the black zip ties, the black shoelaces inside of the shoes. And I'll probably be wearing these pretty soon. I might wear these probably just coming up a week or so. So I might do an on foot video for you guys since I'll be wearing them. But yeah, I'm super excited to get the shoe. Like I said, it's been a while since I've held an off-white. That was mine. And did I mention this? Yeah, it comes with the orange tag as well on the side of the swoosh. But yeah, I'm just excited to get the shoe. Hopefully I can hit some more. I did strike out on the which one's just dropped, the black 97s that released a couple of days ago or last week on Sneakers app. I usually never hit on Sneakers app. It's so many other shoes that I don't have a problem getting, but when it comes to off-white, it's like I can't hit nothing. But we still have the off-white black Air Max 90s. There's like a whole bunch of different crazy colors coming out. There's like a highlighter off-white, there's like an orange one, then we got the black Air Force One. So there's a few more off-whites dropping this year. Hopefully I'm able to snag another pair up. I do really want the Air Force Ones to add to the collection. But yeah, besides that, I mean, there's more ones dropping. Of course, there's Concord 11s coming out, so still a few more shoes that I'm trying to get to end off the year. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the shoes, where are you able to get them. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.